Oh my god, that car just stalled. What are you doing? Go. What are you doing? Go. Oh shit, I think she's just broken down. Good morning, afternoon, evening, midnight, 3 a.m. midlife crisis to you all. I hope you're all having a wonderful time, no matter where you are in the world, no matter what time it is. I shall know I am having a wonderful time because we going driving, baby. I feel so uncomfortable right now. I literally look like a fucking maniac. Don't mind me whilst I clean the lens with these groovy girly socks that I need to give to you because these were supposed to be a birthday present, but I'm a terrible person and left them in my car. I thought today we could have a fun little drive around. I would say listen to some tunes, but hi Article 13.
How are ya?
Instead, we're gonna be driving out today to the beautiful town of Stratford-upon-Avon to get a McDonald's. I have been driving since I don't actually know how long I've been driving for. It's maybe been like 3 months. Not a crazy long time, but enough for me to feel confident to do a drive with me.
Let's go, Barbara, homie.
You wanna go, Han? Or you're right just chilling there? I started learning to drive in like September time last year, and then I passed my test maybe in like March time, maybe, probably, I'm not too sure. This junction is literally the junction of death. Oh, for God's sake, mate, well, no, I can't see, can I?
Cheers, thanks a lot.
Oh my God. And we are off, ladies and gentlemen. It took me quite a while to learn how to drive, but I kind of think it's better that way rather than to just rush into your test. Another popular topic amongst what are we, Generation Z? Millennials? I always used to call myself a millennial, but apparently I was wrong. Is love. Oh my God! There have been these traffic lights at this junction next to my house. Oh yeah, T2. My local petrol station got raided, and there are conspiracies. It was an inside job because they only take card and no cash, so who would be stealing cash unless you really wanted a Mars bar? I worry about myself. Basically, there are loads of conspiracies and theories that it was like an inside job for the guy to claim insurance because they wouldn't have loads of cash in there because they do a lot on card, unless someone just really wanted all the Mars bars, I guess. I mean, I'm not here to judge, okay? Sometimes you've got to do what you've got to do for the Twix. I am so sorry. That was literally so disgusting, but the inner 13-year-old boy within me just couldn't not put it in, you know? Anyway, as I was saying about Love Island, I can't lie, I was rooting for Tommy and Molly, you know? I really loved Amber towards the end of it, and my God, that girl had to go through some not very nice things. I didn't love Amber in the beginning. It wasn't that I like hated her. I don't hate anyone, like that's ridiculous to say hate someone on a TV show. I was just like, we are just such different people, like we approach situations so differently. But I do have friends and I know people who are like Amber, who believe like crying and stuff like that is like a sign of weakness, so I understood her whole mentality, but I cry a lot and I don't really think I'm weak. Crying doesn't make you weak, it makes you strong because it means like you're able to acknowledge your feelings and emotions and like accept them and come to terms with them. There's no shame in having a little cry. I had a little cry last night, not over anything, just really hormonal, and I just needed it.
And that's okay.
I just really loved Tommy. Like, I just thought he treated Molly so well. I think in terms of actual relationships, they had the best relationship. They didn't have spats, they didn't have arguments, they just got on. They were each other's best friends, and that's what relationships are supposed to be. Ovi was my favourite, of course. Ovi, hun, I'll be waiting for you at Gatwick on my way now. But yeah, I'm really intrigued to know who your favourites are. Make sure you let me know. Another thing I want to talk about is festivals. Who is going to any festivals this year? Because I was gonna go to Boomtown, but kind of wouldn't have worked anyway because I'm going to City. I'm going to Summer in the City, which I'm so excited. I'm gonna be there the whole weekend. I've actually got a meetup. Yeah, a meetup on the Sunday at like 2 o'clock, I think. I can't really remember. And then I've got a panel on the Saturday, I'm pretty sure. But it's my first ever like meetup. Yeah, it's my first ever meetup. I was gonna say official meetup, but I've never really done my own because I'm always so scared that was gonna turn up. Can't believe last year when I went to Sitsi, I had 40,000 subscribers. We got 370. I feel like people are gonna wonder what my car is as well. I drive a silver Fiesta. I love my little Fiesta. She's my baby. And no, she doesn't have a name because do I look like I drive a Fiat 500? No. She's pretty lit. She gets me from place to place. We bought her and she had super low mileage, which is really good. If you are looking for a first car, I would recommend a Fiesta. My dream car, obviously, like every other Fiat 500 girl, lol, is a G-Wagon, but I can't really see that happening anytime soon, considering the roads in my area are literally so narrow. I struggle to get the Fiesta through it sometimes. Coming up to a 30. Safety first, ladies.
Respecting my town and local community by following the speed limit.
My hobbies include singing, dancing, and driving at the speed limit to piss off the Mercedes behind me. That box tings. The day that I'm filming this is the day that Ariana Grande has released her new song, Boyfriend. Wow, didn't know I needed that in my life, but apparently I did. Can we all just take a moment to bow our heads and say a prayer for the gift that is Ariana Grande and thank her for blessing my ears with the sweet, sweet tunes that she does. Just come through, you and you. I'ma count money, money, got the choo 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 choo. I'm pretty sure that is not the right lyrics. In fact, I'm certain that's not the right lyrics. I literally miss doing my Getting Lit videos so much, I can't even tell you. They were my favourite videos to film ever, but hi Article 13, thanks for literally ruining my career. And you better not copyright me for that lyrical, musical masterpiece, thank you very much. Article 13 has literally ruined my life and I don't really want to film them anymore, even though I wouldn't mind not earning money off them, like I just do them as a side thing, like an extra video a week. But I kind of feel like if I have loads of copyright claims that YouTube will be on my case and look in every single video and wait for like when Little Mix are playing in the skinny dip shop.
You know what I mean?
Every time I drive next to a bus or a lorry, I just think it's gonna tip on me. I've seen too many Facebook videos, let me tell you. Roundabouts, roundabouts. Maximum concentration on the roundabout. Is she gonna boss it? I don't know, because this stupid DPD van isn't indicating. Watch out, because flossie.clegg's getting on the roundabout, lads. Another roundabout, another roundabout, another day, another roundabout. Will she boss it? Of course she will. Oh shit. My camera tripod is coming loose. This is not ideal. Help, help. Oh my god, where are you going? Where are you going? Okay. See, that's why you indicate, because it makes other people's lives a lot easier. Stupid people, I tell you. It's currently 10 to 2 and I haven't had a scrap of food all day. I woke up this morning, I had to go to the post office because I had an Instagram brand deal I needed to get sorted, but I slept through the delivery. Woo! So I was supposed to get it all sent off tomorrow, but it was like signed for, so they couldn't leave it out, and then I had to contact the woman. So I've done all that, and then literally as soon as I did that, I hopped in the car, and here we are. Why has it got to be a red light? Oh yes, best feeling in the world, driving towards a red light and it goes in amber. You're childish, Amber. Oh my god, that car just stalled. What are you doing? Go. What are you doing? Go. Oh shit, I think she's just broken down. Oh no. She's just an idiot. False alarm. Hi, could I get 2 portions of cheese bites and a medium Oasis, please?
Is that everything?
That's everything, thank you.
Please, thank you.
Thank you. 2 portions of cheese bites, am I okay? Hi.
427,
Thank you. Why do bad things happen to good people? Hi, thank you. There you go. Thank you. Oh my god, if you didn't just gather what happened, I literally just stalled. Shameful. Shameful. Where should I park? Is there anywhere down there? Okay, I do not want to kill this dog. Oh my god, this is just not going too well for me. I would have fucked it if you weren't parked over your line, hun. Just trying to give you a bit more space, mate. Okay, now I sit and I pretend that nothing is happening. This is so bloody horrendously awkward. I'm parched so badly, I need to like try and salvage this, but I'm also like, are you gonna try and get out? It's not even that I'm part badly, like I just tried to give him a little bit more space, but apparently, oh, is he gonna get out? Please tell me you're gonna leave. Oh, thank God he's leaving. And he was just crashed into a lorry. Jesus Christ. Oh, okay, maybe he's not gonna leave. Maybe he's just adjusting his for a game. I'm just going to sit on my Oasis and mind my own business. And adjust my parking now that this absolute horse bag is gone. Oh my gosh, and relax. I need this aircon on me right now. Let's talk McDonald's cheese bites. I have a lot to say about cheese bites. Being vegetarian, I mean, there's not a lot that can really satisfy me. Sometimes I don't want beans in my burger. I don't want them there. Those cheese bites will never fail me. The same with Oasis. I wish they did a sugar-free Oasis here, but they don't. But if you didn't know, Oasis is like literally my favourite drink in the whole entire world. It's actually just my favourite drink ever. If you've never tried Oasis, get on it. I feel like it's so looked over, but it's just like, first bag, done. Second bag, get in me. Now, I've got a lot to say about cheese bites. I'm rather educated on the varieties. I'd say it will go from top to bottom. Nacho cheese bites are the best. The spicy ones, the sour cream and chive dip. All day, every day, give it to me. Red Leicester Melts, I mean, they're good, you know. I think, aren't these just like the generic ones? I'm not too sure. I brag about being an expert, but I'm not actually. Mozzarella dippers, see you later, sis. You can leave. I don't know why everyone gasses about them so much. They literally just taste of nothing. I've got like 3 cheese bites left, but I'm actually just quite full. So I'm going to end the video there. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see more Come Drive with me, as I actually really enjoyed filming this. I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more from me, and make sure you click the bell notification to make sure my videos come up in your subscription boxes. I've got all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active over on my Instagram, so make sure you go follow me over there. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.